It's summer special recipe. Guess what? Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. 2 medium-sized raw mangoes. 1/2 cup sugar or jaggery. 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. 1 teaspoon black salt. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 4 cups water. Ice cubes. Mint leaves for garnishing. Let's start. Wash the raw mangoes and boil them in a pressure cooker or a pot until they become soft. Once the mangoes cool down, remove their skin and extract the pulp. Put the pulp in a blender along with sugar, jaggery, roasted cumin powder, black salt, and black pepper powder. Blend everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. Add water and blend again. Pour the mixture into a jar and chill it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. When ready to serve, fill a glass with ice cubes and pour the panna over the ice. Garnish with fresh mint leaves and serve. Enjoy your refreshing panna.